So story time. How'd I end up with a black set of plastics and Myrtle when I had a fresh order from Monster Fairings for that trip? Yo, it's your boy Hollywood 60. We back with another one. Yeah, we got story time today though. So y'all remember I just came back from Myrtle, right? And remember I mentioned in that video that my plastics on the bike was just something we threw together. It wasn't my permanent plastics, it just something that had to be done. Well, I'm gonna give y'all a little insight on that story and what actually happened and why I ended up with that set of plastics in Myrtle. We got the actual set in now, thank God, so I could finally switch this out. We gonna make Medusa look like how she was supposed to look like for that trip today, finally. And I'm gonna tell y'all what happened and why we ended up with black plastics at the last minute. Rock with your boy. Alright, so let's talk about it. Let's just get straight to it. I'm gonna tell y'all the story before I even start taking anything out the box and putting stuff together and making it look how it's supposed to look. This is what happened. I put in a fresh order with Monster Fairings. My plastics came on time. I was ecstatic about them arriving when they came. I had enough time to put them on. I put them on. The bike was ready to go. I went out for a ride with my guys, and the ride may have got a little spirited. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna front. We was getting after it a little bit. We were, you know, on the highway. I was excited. I had the bike done and ready to go. Somewhere over the Connecticut River, my plastics decided they wanted to break off on both sides. Both side fairings flew off on me. All the bolts were still intact. When I got the bike home, I'll insert pictures of, you know, the aftermath, but all the bolts were still attached to the bike. Just somehow it caught too much air or whatever happened, and you know, they decided to break off on me while I was riding mid-ride. So I had to rush order this set of black plastics that y'all seen in the video. That was a rush order, last minute. While I reached out to Monster Fairings, and shout out to Monster Fairings, real talk, because you know, they really looked out for your boy. I sent them the pictures and told them what happened, told them my story, and you know, unfortunately, they weren't able to make the plastics from scratch, paint them, and ship them out in time. I only had a couple days before I was supposed to ride out to Myrtle, so you know, it wasn't something that could have been done immediately for me. But you know, they assured me that they were gonna take care of me, and that's exactly what they did. They sent me out a new set of fairings to replace all the broken pieces. So shout out to them, man. You know, their customer service is amazing. I'm not gonna get into the details of, you know, how we worked everything out, but they definitely looked out for your boy. I did not have to, let's say, repay the same price that I originally paid. They definitely looked out for your boy. So shout out to them, and you know, we're gonna get this set back on there and get the bike looking how it's supposed to look, and then you know, we'll talk some more after I show y'all what she was supposed to look like originally. Finally, the moment y'all been waiting for, what my bike is really supposed to look like. Ran out of battery, so couldn't capture the whole process, but here's the final product. Shout out to Monster Fairings one more time. Yeah, buddy. Hashtag Medusa, we back outside, baby. Medusa back outside. Hope y'all enjoy it.